Assalamualaikum Bapak Ibu penguji. Perkenalkan, nama saya Ransia. Saya adalah mahasiswa PPG Angkatan 1 jurusan Bahasa Inggris di Universitas Negeri Semarang pada tahun 2020. Nomor ujian saya adalah 20301811. Pada kesempatan ini, saya akan melakukan pembelajaran sebagai syarat dalam mengikuti penilaian uji kinerja. Untuk pembelajaran hari ini, saya ambil pada hari Sabtu, tanggal 14 November 2020 pada pukul 9 waktu Indonesia Barat. Nah, pada pembelajaran kali ini juga, saya mengambil KD berasal dari KD COVID-19, COVID darurat 19 maksud saya, yaitu KD 3.3, di mana KD 3.3 ini mengenai tes prosedur khususnya pada penggunaan alat atau kiat-kiat atau tips. Baiklah Bapak Ibu, tanpa menunggu lama, silahkan saksikan video pembelajaran berikut ini. Okay. As government instruction, please stay at home, don't go anywhere, keep distance to be keep healthy in this pandemic COVID-19. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Our lesson, I would like to check your attendance. Have you all joined in this classroom now? In this classroom, okay. Okay, now before we start our class today, please, Rizka, can you
Yes,
read
ma'am.
our trainer? Please lead to pray now.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, before let's study today, let's pray. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Rizka. Now, let's start our lesson now. Do you see my picture? Okay, can you see?
Can.
Okay. Okay, now let's start our lesson. Okay, now look at this picture carefully. What do you think about the picture of number 1?
It
is a phone. Handphone.
Very good. And then how about the second picture?
It is a laptop.
Okay, very good. It is a laptop. Do you have a handphone and a laptop at your home?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay, thank you. Can you operate a handphone and this laptop?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can operate
Yes,
handphone and laptop.
Good job. Next, how about this picture? Do you know what picture is it?
It's a debit machine, Mom.
Very good. And then, where can you see this machine?
In a bank, Mom. In Indomaret, in Alfamart, in a mall.
Okay, maybe it can be in Indomaret, in Alfamart, and then in mall maybe. Okay, that's good. Okay, now please take a look at this video and complete the text in LKPD 1. Okay, please listen to
Okay.
this video.
Five steps on how to use your ATM PIN with your debit card when shopping. Step 1. The salesperson where you are shopping will either swipe or insert your debit card in the machine, depending on the type of card you have. Step 2. The salesperson will enter the bill amount in the machine. Step 3. You will then need to enter your 4-digit ATM PIN. Step 4. The swipe machine will now generate a receipt for you to sign. The salesperson will print a copy of the receipt and ask you to sign one copy and give you the other. Step 5. You will receive an instant alert via SMS on your mobile number registered with the bank. It will give you details including the amount debited from your account. And remember, keep your PIN secure. Don't let others see your PIN number. Use your hand to hide your PIN from others. Never ask others to enter your PIN, including the salesperson. Always insist on entering the PIN yourself. For more details, please visit www.hdfcbank.com.
Okay, have you watched the video? After watching the video, can you predict what we are going to discuss now? What are the topics that we are going to discuss now? Yes, it's about,
Produce
yes,
tax.
yeah, produce or procedure
Tax.
Okay, so, yes, so today we will study about procedure tax. Okay, now look at, after learning this material, I hope you are able to write a simple procedure text with a good generic structure and the language feature. So this is our learning objective. So, what is procedure text?
Teks tentang langkah-langkah, Mem.
Okay, very good, Irfan. It's about text about tell about the steps. Okay, and then any other opinion?
Teks tentang melakukan sesuatu.
Okay, very good. So it's about text to tell about how to do something, or in other words, a procedure text is containing a goal and step about how to make or do something. And then what is the function of the text? Yes, it is, the function is to tell the reader how to make or do something step by step. And then now, let's we move to the generic structure of procedure text. What does generic mean? Like a part of procedure. Part means is bagian ya, bagian-bagian in procedure text. So, there are three parts of generic structure in procedure text. So, first, M or goal. M means what the purpose. It always can be found at the title of the text. So, M or goal is at the title. For example, a video just now how to use a debit machine, yeah, how to use a debit machine. So this is the M or goal. And the next is material. Material is something that we needed to make or do something. So material, like a video said that how to use a debit card. So the material is debit card, ya enggak, materialnya debit card. And debit apa mesinnya ya, debit mesin.
Yes.
Then the last part is step or method. Step is langkah-langkah. The step when how to writer. So the step from the first step until the last step. Yeah, but Like first,
Yes.
next, step. Okay. So if you want to write a good procedure text, so please pay attention to the generic structure. Okay, can you get my point? Can you get my
Yes, Mom, I get your point.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, so please
Yes.
memorize. There are 3 parts of generic structure-nya. Ada aim, material, and then step. Okay, now let's we continue to the language feature. Okay, language feature. What is language feature? Yes, it means a rule that we have to know when you want to write a procedure text. So, there are some key feature of procedure text. Yang pertama, the first is
Go.
verb 1. Using verb 1. Okay. And then using action verb. Apa tadi action verb is the verb that needs an action like open, close, turn on.
Yes, turn on.
And then imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means the sentence that ask someone to do something. For example, like open your card. So if ask someone to open her or his card, it's imperative sentence. Because a procedure text, it ask someone to do something. Meminta seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu based on the instruction, berdasarkan instruksi yang diberikan. And then connective word. What is connective word? Ada next, then, after that. Yes.
After.
Yes. After. In other words, is this word that connect one step to other step. Jadi dia menghubungkan satu langkah ke langkah berikutnya. And the last, yes, sometimes you numbering like first, second,
Dua.
yes.
Sorry.
Okay. So that's what the language feature. So 5 language feature in procedure text. Can you understand?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Any questions so far?
No, Mom.
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, class. Now I have a video. Please pay attention to this video.
Welcome to English channel. For now we are going to talk about procedure text manual. Well, students, what do you know about procedure text? Yes, it tells readers on how to make something or do a task. What language features do we use in procedure text? Simple present tense, imperative sentences, action verbs, connectives, adverbial phrase, and noun phrase. The generic structure of procedure text is goal or aim, material or ingredients, steps or methods. But for a manual, we don't need material or ingredients. There are kinds or types of procedure text like recipe, manual, tips, guide, and rules. But now we are going to talk about manual. How to use a fire extinguisher. Pull the pin, aim at the base of fire, squeeze the lever, sweep side to side. PASS.
Time to learn how to use your fire extinguisher is not when you discover a fire, but if the time does come, remember to pass. P. Pull the pin. Hold the extinguisher away from you and release the locking mechanism. A. Aim low, pointing the extinguisher at the base of the fire. S. Squeeze the lever slowly and evenly. S. Sweep the nozzle from side to side.
Okay, after watching the video, could you please tell me what is video about?
The video is about procedure text.
Okay, great answer, Rizka. What else?
The language feature of procedure text that are using simple present tense as using imperative sentences, using action verb, and using connective word.
Okay, very good, Risa. Thanks. And then, any else? Okay, class. After watching the video, could you please tell me what is the video about?
This video is about procedure text.
Okay, great answer. What else?
The language feature of procedure text are using simple present tense, using imperative sentences, using action verb, and using connecting word.
Okay, very good, Dinda. And then any else?
The generic structure, a goal, material, and steps.
Okay, the generic structure is goal, material, and step. Okay, so you can conclude that there are some potency in procedure text. They are social function, generic structure, and then the language feature. While the language feature of procedure text is using present tense and using imperative sentence and then connective words. And then the structure is name, material, step, or method. Okay, I hope all of you are still memorize what is a material, step, present tense, and then any other about generic structure and the language feature of procedure text. Okay, let's try to analyze this picture. Okay, can you see the picture? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's analyze. The first is, what is the social function? What is the social function of this picture? Social
How
function.
to use fire extinguisher.
Okay, how to use a fire extinguisher. And then what is goal? Goalnya sama ya. How to use a fire extinguisher. And then, is there any material in this process? Any material?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. And then how about the steps? How about the
First, pull the pin in the handle, iron the nozzle at the base of the fire, squeeze the lever slowly, switch from side to side.
okay, flip from side
Oh.
to side. Okay, very good, Dinda. Okay, now let's continue with the language feature of this text. Can you find the imperative sentence from this text?
Pull the pin and the nozzle, squeeze the lift, and sweep from side to side.
Oke, ini jadi imperative sentence itu apa kemarin? Kalimat perintah. Kayak perintahnya pertama, pull the pin, empty the nozzle, squeeze the lever slowly, and then sweep from side to side. Kita salin ke sini tadi ya. Jadi sosialnya kita tulis to tell the reader how to fire extinguisher, and then jadi tadi ada apa? Goal, material, and then step. Kita salin jadinya karena nggak ada material, jadi tidak kita tulis material. And then stepnya, dan language feature-nya tadi apa aja? Imperatif ini kalimat dan connective word. Dan connective word-nya di sana 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ini nggak isolasi ya, cuman tinggal kita buka apa aja. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, students, we have to analyze the generic structure and the language feature of this picture. Now, let's listen to this picture. I have a picture. I have some picture for you. Do you know what picture are they?
The step in using phone.
Okay, very good, Lily. The step in using phone. And then, any other?
Hold operator a handphone.
Okay, how to operate a handphone. Okay, very good. So the picture is tell us about the step how to operate handphone. Jadi gambar ini tentang langkah-langkah dalam mengoperasikan HP. Okay, and let's analyze. What number for the first picture? Kira-kira dari gambar ini mana yang gambar nomor 1?
Number 6, ma'am.
Yes.
Nomor 6.
6. Okay, this is number 6. Jadi number 6 kita letakkan di sini. Kita pindahkan seperti biasa ya. Dari gambar acak ini kita pindahkan ke table. Number 6. Okay. And what is the picture tells about?
Press the power button.
Yes, di sana ada press power button. It means that artinya apa? Menekan tombol
Tekan tombol.
Okay, and how about the second picture? The second picture, what number? Number?
5.
Okay, number 5. Okay, let's remove number 5 here. Jadi kita pasang nomor 5-nya di sini, number 5. Okay, what picture is it?
Sedang menunggu sinyal, ma'am.
Oke, sedang menunggu sinyal atau or we can say wait until the signal are full. And then next, the third picture. The third picture. Where is the third picture?
Number 2.
Okay, number 2. Okay, then number 2. We move here, number 2. Number 2. Above, press the number that you
Who's
want.
the number?
Okay, press the number that you want to call. Then the next picture after number 2 is what number again? Nomor berapa lagi?
I think number 4.
Okay, number 4. Very good, Dinda. Okay, what picture about is it? Picture number 4.
Mendengar seseorang menjawab.
Yes, seorang or wait until next is wait until the person says hello. Orang mengatakan hello. And then what next picture again?
Number 3, we are talking, ma'am.
Okay, number 3.
3,
Apa number 3?
we are talking.
Okay, they are talking. Atau start the conversation. And then the last picture. Where is the last picture? The last picture
Number 1.
Number 1.
Din telepon.
akhiri telepon, yes. So, the last picture is number 1. It means press the call off atau mengakhiri telepon. In English is press the call off button to end the conversation. Tekan tanda call off untuk mengakhiri telepon. So, this is the step how to operate a handphone. Okay. After finishing, arrange the picture and then write the imperative sentence. No, you just move the sentence to this table. Jadi kita pindahkan kalimat tadi, kita pindahkan kalimat di sini on this track. Oke, kita pindahkan ke draft ini. Ini memudahkan kalian untuk menyusun sebuah tag prosedur. Jadi gambar, so this picture is to make you make more easy to arrange the text. Jadi dari gambar ini memudahkan kalian untuk pertama kita susun. Jadi dari gambar ini kita dapat ide kira-kira kalimat apa yang mau kita tulis. Setelah selesai, baru kita susun ke sini lagi. Nah, dari sini kan kita sudah tahu, jadi mudah. Jadi stepnya, pindahkan step ini. Ini langkah pertama tadi kan. Langkah-langkah ini kita pindahkan dari sini. We just add the connective word-nya. Kita tinggal kan connective word-nya seperti first, second, next. Oke, kalau ini buatnya pakai apa? Ada kan first, second, third, until the last next. Ini langsungnya di sini. And then don't forget to write aim or goal. Jadi tujuannya tadi R or goal itu at the title. M or goal biasanya ada di title. So the M or goal is how to write a book. Dan materialnya udah pasti handbook. Okay. After finishing complete this dress, kalau sudah lengkap, so you just arrange into your text like this. Okay. So at the end, the final, you have a simple procedure text. Okay. So what do you think? It is easy writing procedure text using a serious picture.
Yes, ma'am. I think it's easy.
Oke, easy, mudah ya. Kita pakai gambar, jadi kita tahu apa yang mau kita tulis. By using a picture, so this is more easy. What will you write? Okay. Do you understand about my explanation?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, clear. Is there any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. If there is no question, no time for your job. Jadi, no, I want you to have some video that I have uploaded in the Google Classroom. So, I will put you into some group. I will bring you into some room in this Zoom meeting. Yeah? Okay, and then in the break room, you have to discuss one of the video based on your group. So if you want a group 1, you might choose the video from group 1. If you are group 2, you might watch the video from group 2. Then, and then please watch the video, discuss the social function, generic structure, and the language feature of the video. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, class. Now I will break you in some group. Hello, group 1. Group 1.
Hi, me.
Yes. Danny, Tiara, and then Denisa. This is the group 1. Okay. How about your discussion? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Please continue your discussion. I will join the next group. Okay? Continue your discussion now. I will join the next group. Miss Mo. Hello, Rizka and Nurmaini. You are group 2 now. Okay, kalian group 2 sekarang. Okay. Okay. Any question? Any question? No. Okay, thank you.
No, ma'am.
Okay, please continue your discussion. I will join the others group.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Okay, students. You have discussed the video in the Google Classroom. Now, I want you to show me or show us the result of your discussion. The first group, would you please show me your presentation? Silakan. Okay. Now please read your discussion note. Any?
Hello, friend.
Yes.
I'm from Group 1. I will present about our his station. The video intel about of to your procedure text manual. The social function is to show how to send email in Gmail using Android. The generic structure goal how to send email in Gmail using Android. This is no material. The steps are: first, open Gmail application on Android. Third, write your messenger. Finally, at the top of the page, tap send.
Okay, thank you for the group 1. Okay, next to the next group. Are you ready for group 2?
Ready.
Okay. Hello, friend. I'm from Group 6. I will present about procedure text. Social function to show the readers how to avoid coronavirus. Generic structure goal how to avoid coronavirus. Step: first, avoid handshake. Second, raise hands after the last 20 seconds. Cover your mouth with your elbow when you cough and sneeze. Avoid crowd and unnecessary travel. Practice social distancing. Stay home, avoid others, and call your doctor if you feel sick.
Action verb avoid was covered. Practice stay home. Connection on connective or numbering first, second, third, and fourth.
Okay, thank you for the last group. You might stop sharing now. Okay, students. We have studied about procedure. Okay. Now let us to conclude the results of our activity today. So,
It is a text which tell about the step how to make this or do something.
okay, great. Brittany.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, please for the Zoom meeting, I want you to do all the assignments that are in our Google Classroom. Okay. At the end of this lesson, I hope you are able to write your own procedure text based on the series of pictures that I give you. Okay, students? Do you understand what I mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Before we end our class today, I want you to write a reflection of our lesson today. Please write this reflection on your notebook physically and please send to my private WhatsApp group. Okay? Any questions?
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
Okay, I think
No.
enough for today. I hope you are always in healthy condition, so you can learn all of the lesson well. Thank you for joining this meeting, and don't forget to finish the assignment in our Google Classroom. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Dinda, can you lead your friend to pray to close our meeting now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, friends. Before we end our class today, now let's we pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Dinda. Okay, thank you for today. Thank you very much for joining in this meeting. See you on the next meeting and bye-bye.
Bye.